Dear friends, here I am going to discuss about the installation and setup procedure of OpenShot video editing software. Here I will discuss the step-by-step procedure installation of for Windows users, and it requires 130 MB data. Loadable file size is 130 MB, and minimum requirement to installation of this software is 64-bit and minimum 4 GB of RAM, and it is totally free open software. No watermarking will be there. So from the link, we just after download we'll just click the OpenShot exe and follow the step-by-step procedure, and we can change our location from C to D, and we also create a desktop icon for easy access. After installation, the whole procedure, I will also discuss some setup also. So it is finished. Now I will show you the every component of this software. Here number one is the menu bar, where all type of files, opening, importing, exporting, redo, undo, etc. everything will be available from this section. Number two represents the project file, transition and effects. That is, each and every tab there will be lots of option, and we will see it later. Number three shows all the files, that is video, audio, image, everything will be collected and temporarily stored at location 3. And number 4, that is whatever the render at the software or by the software, it will be shown in this window. Number 5, here lots of tools are available, that is to cut, to select the frame and to increase the keyframe, etc. The number 6 will show in details of all keyframes, that is in larger view. Number 7 shows a pointer where the rendering will done, that is it will like a playhead. Number 8 represents the number of tracks. This software actually based on multiple layers, and the lower layer will be in below section, that is, and top layer actually will render first, and it will be covered by lower layer. Number 9 represents the filter. We can search here lots of filter. These filters will show different types of effects. And number 10 represents the control key for a player, that is after rendering it will control the everything. Now look at the layer structure, where layer 1, 2, 3 are showing, and finally we will focus on the export section. In export section we have to set the MP4 file, and quality is medium for medium size file, and some shortcut key are also available, you can note it. And finally I will comes with a little project, that is where everything will be cleared. And that's it for today. Thank you.